We are here to construct the waterfall. We had David and Austin here yesterday. I don't think they have any footage from anything else because I don't think they had any cameras. So this will be the only footage we really have here from the day of the actual construction part. And basically we have a little head start here where some of our materials are already on site. One of the machines is already here. David Tran was here yesterday and was able to get the reservoir all excavated and the aqua blocks dry fit in. So today should be a little easier sailing for us. We're gonna get everything locked in on the reservoir, backfilled, start setting some rocks, and see if we can build this whole waterfall today. Get on out of here before the weekend. So got a lot to do today. It's gonna get pretty hot pretty quickly. Gonna go ahead and jump into things here and see if we can get this thing all done today. This is what the guys were able to do yesterday. They have their aqua blocks all fit in on top of the liner. So all we have to do is add our cobbles, backfill this thing, get it all locked in place, hook up our pump and plumbing, and then we can start building our waterfall here. As always, if you enjoyed this video and you want to catch more awesome content like this as it comes out, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We will see you guys on the next one.